How to pay Netflix from Fampay. Now, the very first option or the very first step that you need to do is to make sure that you have fully set up or created an account with Fampay. So what you want to do from here is just simply download the application via the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device and download it via the Apple Store if you're using an iOS device. Now you just have to turn on the digital payments from Fampay. It is usually located under settings and under pays method, then just simply enable or turn on digital payments. Now once it is already on, you can now then use it, for example, on Netflix. Now Netflix, you just have to create an account if you haven't created one, choose any plans you want, and then on the payment portion on Netflix, just simply input your FamPay card details like your card number, expiration date of the card, and as well as the CVV code on your FamPay. Now it will or it should be automatically confirmed if there is enough fund stating on the specific subscription that you choose on Netflix. And that's it. That's how you pay with Netflix from FamPay.